Hi! Hello, grade 5 pupils! Welcome again sa aking vlog. Okay, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe na, like, share, and hit the notification bell. And also comment for engagement. So sa last video, I have discussed how to add transitions. And in today's lesson or video tutorial, I will discuss to you or demonstrate to you how to add animations. So let's jump right in. Allow me to share my screen. Okay, do you see my screen? Kita na ba? Okay. Welcome to ICT5. Welcome grade 5 to ICT5. Okay, our lesson today is animating text and objects. How to animate text and objects. Now we learned or we know how to add transitions. Now, how about the text? How we animate text and object? When we say text, yung mga words, yan. How about the objects? Ano yung mga objects na ina-animate natin? Images, pictures. Okay, images, pictures, icons, yun, shapes. We can animate shapes, pictures, and other objects. Okay, so these are the learning targets that we need to do or accomplish. First is be familiar with the animation tools available in PowerPoint. It's either 2013 version, 2016, 2019 version. And also put animation effects in the text and objects of slides. Okay. Ano ba ang animation? What is animation? This is element, di ba? Element of multimedia. Di ba? We had discussed that in our English class. So here in ICT, animation can make a presentation more dynamic and can help make information easier to remember. Yun yung kanyang purpose. Make information easier to remember. So may i-highlight ka lang na important information sa slide mo. You can use animation to highlight that. So that yun yung matandaan ng viewers or yung audience. Okay, so we have different types of animation. These are the common types of animations. We have none, makes no animation effects. We have appear, makes the object come in sight. We have fade, makes the object fade into the slide. We have fly in, makes the object fly from the bottom of the slide and into position. We have float in, makes the object surface into position. We have split, makes the object split into the slide. We have wipe, makes the object wipe inside the slide. And shape, makes the object fade into place. Okay, how to add animations. Those are common animations that we can see in our PowerPoint. How to add animation. So first, let us follow these steps in putting animation in a slide. First, select the object. This can be our title, content, or image. Now, go to the Animations tab on the ribbon. Then select an animation. PowerPoint automatically adds the animations to the object that you selected. Then choose another subject, select an animation. So if we want to see how the slide looks like, we can select the preview button on the left side of the animation ribbon. you can see this, the preview. So you can see yung the animation, kung nagustuhan niyo ba yung animation or pwede niyong palitan. Okay, so on your slides, ito yung animations na makikita nyo. May number. Kung mapapansin nyo may number, ibig sabihin naka-order, in order yung pag-appear ng animations. Pag nakalagay 1, ito yung unang mag-a-appear. Pag number 2, ito yung pangalawang mag-a-appear. And number 3, yun yung pangatlo. So, in order siya. Kung ano yung unang mong nilagyan ng animation, yung unang mag-animate. Kung ito yung pangalawa, ito yung pangalawa mag-animate. At kung pangatlo, ito yung pangatlong mag-animate. Okay, note. Take note of this. Putting animation in slides is fun. However, we should not get carried away by putting too much animation in one slide, as this can really distract the audience. Okay? Diba? Using animation can make the audience easily remember the information, but too much is not good. Okay? So, too much animation can really distract the audience. Yun naman yung kanyang disadvantage. Okay, to see animations we place in the slide, we can select the animation pane button to make the animation appear. Okay? So on the animation pane, a list of all the objects with animations are displayed. So we can also change the sequence of how things appears in our slides. Yan po. Ito po yung animation pane. Okay, makikita nyo po dito. Thank you. Yun lang po. Kung paano maggamit ng animation. So, as your activity to apply what you have learned, you will do this activity. First is create using animation. So, create a slide presentation that shows the time of the day. Use the sun and moon for this. Hint: you can make objects appear and disappear anywhere in the slide using animations. So once you have completed or accomplished the first task, you can do the second task. This is peer activity. Create with your partner. So first, find a partner to work with. Then, reconstruct the slideshow. Change the names of Phil and Sophia to your name and your partner's name. Ito yung previous activity nyo. Then, add animation to all the slides. Then, take turns presenting to one another or to the whole class. Okay? You have the first slide, the title slide layout, including the Common Sans font with slide design team. The second slide, you have the title and content slide layout. Jokerman font, you will use this. And you will use with slide design theme. And also the content as about the 8 colors. Then the slide 3, content with caption slide layout, including Rockwell condensed font using this font. And with slide design theme, insert any image you can use and rename Phil and Sophia to your name and your partner's name. Okay, this is my reference. Okay, I will show you how to use animations. Okay, allow me to share my screen. Okay, I will use the previous slides that I have used on my previous blog. Okay. So, dito muna tayo sa first slide. I will click the object. Then, on your ribbon, under ribbon, click the animations tab. Then choose the animations. So, napili ko is fly in. Then, mag-a-appear yung number 1. So, click preview. Okay, yon. Then, click animation pane. Ayan, makikita nyo dito. Okay? Then, second, I will choose float in. Ayun. So, makikita nyo sa animation pane. Okay, click nyo yung animation pane, makikita nyo kung ilang animation meron dito. Okay. So, X ko na yan. Dito tayo, my favorite path. Change natin yung yung lagyan natin ng animation. So, meron ditong iba-ibang animations. Okay? Ito, entrance lang, for entrance animation. Itong nasa, ito. Itong makikita nyo dito. Yung appear, fade, yan. Swivel, bounce are entrance animation. So, meron din tayong for emphasis, to emphasize the word. Okay? Yan, meron din tayo dyan, emphasis. And also the exit. We have the exit and also motion path. So, ito lang, mag-focus lang tayo dito sa entrance and exit. Entrance, emphasis, and exit. So, eto, try nyo din to explore yung lines. Okay? So, dito muna tayo. Gagamitin ko yung fly in. Okay. Then, click nyo ulit ito. Gamit tayo ng exit. Fly out. Okay. Then, ito. Click natin yung float in, entrance. And then, yung exit. Float out. Okay. So, dito, maglagay tayo ng emphasis. Okay? Maglagay tayo ng emphasis dito. Click lang natin to. Emphasize natin. Color, ito. Darken. Ayun. Okay? Ito din. Click natin yung darken. Okay. Another, siguro darken na lang. Okay. Okay. Darken. Okay, so tingnan natin animation pa. Isa lang pala siya. Okay, yan. Makikita nyo dyan. Okay? Sa animation pane. Okay, so dito naman. So, lagyan din natin ng animations. Itong lahat na lang, okay? Tinatamad na ako eh. Ayan. Lagyan natin na. Yan, okay. Then dito, try nga natin yung itong animation na to. Ito, shapes na to. Ayun, yun. Kita nyo? Ayan. Animations. Lagyan natin ng ito, loops. Okay, yun pala yung loops na yan. Then other animations. So, hindi naman necessary lahat ha. Ito optional lang kung may emphasize lang kayo. Kung kayo maglalagay ng animations. Hindi naman kailangan lahat merong animations. Ito ay pinapakita ko lang na pwede kayo maglagay ng animations. Kung ano yung gusto nyo lagyan ng animations. Okay. And then ito, swivel, for example. Ayan. Ayan. Okay, so let us see kung meron nga siya. Ating slideshow. Okay. Click nyo lang. Ayan. So, yun po yung animation sa text. Okay, meron tayong transition. Ayan. Ito yung ating exit. Okay. Kanina, entrance. Ngayon, exit. Okay. Emphasis. Okay. So, nakita niya? So, ibig sabihin, isa lang pala yun kasi sa chart lang. Pero kung magkakahiwalay yun, makikita niya. Okay. So, kailangan yung i-slideshow kung maganda ba siyang tingnan o hindi. Ayan, another animation. Ayan. Ayan po. So, ayan. Ayan. Okay, anong natutunan nyo dito sa paglagay ng animation? So, hindi basta-basta ka lang maglalagay ng animation. So, make sure na babagay siya doon sa pictures, sa text, kung ano man nakalagay dun sa slides mo. Titingnan mo kung babagay yung animations na gagamitin. Okay? Kasi minsan parang weird naman yung animations. Pero pumili ka ng animations na babagay or babagay doon sa content na nakalagay dun sa slides. Yun lang. Okay, I hope you learned something sa simple tutorial. And see you in my next video. Bye-bye!